Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Now I know this is not the video y'all were expecting to be next. I know I keep procrastinating, but I got this PR package in the mail, so we are going to be unboxing it. So you guys, they contacted me like 3 or 4 days ago, and they actually shipped it like really soon. I guess it came so quick because they are through Amazon. Now I don't know if they have their own store, but they shipped it through Amazon and they are on Amazon. So it came in this little packaging, and these are just solid gel creams. The box was super cute that it came in. They are not sponsoring me. They are not paying me. I do not get any percentage off for doing this video. I just thought that I add that in there. They gave me a little pamphlet that explains how to use the solid cream gels. I've used them before, not this brand, but I got some off of AliExpress, and if I can, I'll link the video of that up here. I can't remember exactly what video I put that in, but if I remember, I'll link it up here somewhere. And then it comes with a little brush to apply the cream gel. So that was cool because honestly, I don't really have too many brushes to use stuff like that with. So the first color that we're going in is called 006. Now this is a whole kit that you get on Amazon. This was actually $14.99. I will link some pictures right here to show you all. And I'll also put the link in the description box. This color was super cute. I'm using a little bit of acetone to clean my brush off, and then I also have some swatch sticks that are available on my website. I will link my website right here as well. But this color was super pretty, you guys. Like, I was really wanting these colors to work for me. So the consistency of it is just like any other typical solid cream gel, and what that feels like, if you have not ever tried it, it's kind of like in between. If you have ever used maybe polygel or hard gel, I would say more so consistent with hard gel mixed with like a little bit of polish. That's what it gives me. That's what it feels like when I apply it. So like I said, I'm used to using them. I don't use them really at all, just because I don't really see the need for solid cream gels, to be honest. I prefer just gel polishes or acrylic. But if there are colors that I see for cream gels, then I will use them. But I have not came across any color that I just could not find in a polish or an acrylic. So that's that. This color right here was very transparent. I could see through it with the first coat. I had cured this in between. I just didn't show it on camera, but I cured this in between each coat. So I did 2 coats on all of the nails except for a blue one that you will see later on, and I will tell y'all why I did not do a second coat on that one, or I think the green one, but I will get to that in a second. But like I said, these colors are very pretty. Would I use them all the time? I don't feel like I would use these all the time, honestly. I'm considering either putting them in a giveaway or putting them online so that somebody can get them for like $2 or whatever and pay for the shipping. And if y'all want it, y'all can have it. But yeah, so this one is, what number was that? Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back. That number was 001. I'm going out of order, so I couldn't really remember which one. But this one was this, like, I feel like all polygels and all hard gels have this color. Like, I don't know what it's called. It was giving me very much like a rosy color. Well, actually, no, not this one. I think the other one, when y'all see the other one, the other pink, y'all are going to be like, oh, that's pretty. Like, it's really pretty. But this one was kind of more on the nude side, like a pink nude or a nude pink, and it was very, again, see-through. So I had to go in with another coat. I tried to put some more on it. I think this was before I cured it. I can't remember. And then you guys, if you can see right here, I tried to like put it down as if it was hard gel because I wanted to see if it was self-level at all, which it did not. Cream gels do not do that, but I just wanted to try it out and see before I said that it doesn't. So yeah, I wasn't, honestly, you guys, I wasn't too excited about these just because I personally do not use stuff like this. But if you are somebody who does nails at home, right here, I was just pointing out how see-through it was. And this one is 005. This one is the rosy color that I was talking about. But like I said, if you are somebody who does your nails at home and you don't really use tips or acrylic, then I do feel like this would be good for you. Now I say that because these cream gels are really made to go on like your real nails, your natural nails. And that's what the handbook shows you. It shows you how to prep your natural nail and how to apply this like you would any other, you know, gel polish or anything like that. So they might look a little better, honestly, on natural nails versus trying to put them on a swatch stick or trying to put them on a false nail. Now right here, I was just like kind of mixing it up because I just wanted to really like get a good grasp of the consistency. And the second coat went on a lot better. However, the more you brush it, the streakier it gets. So you kind of have to basically place it on super thick. And yeah. Now, the value of this box, it's $14.99 on Amazon, but you get 20% off, which takes off $3. So I think it comes to like $12, $21, something like that, $12 and some change. So, I mean, depending on how you look at it, it might be really expensive to you or it might be like a good buy. But like I said, I'm going to put this on my website and whoever grabs it first, grabs it first. The only thing, you will need to pay for is the shipping, you guys. So I might have to put like a cent or two up there, but whoever grabs it first, y'all, you can go ahead and have it. The only thing you have to do is pay for the shipping because I will not be using these again. I just wanted to demo it for you all. Now that blue that we just saw was so bomb. Like it was so pretty. And this one right here was my favorite out of the bunch because it's a glitter, obviously. Y'all remember back when I said that I wasn't a fan of glitter, and now every time I open something glitter, I love it. Like I'm addicted. So I think I'm gravitating more towards a lot of glitters, especially during the summer, things that sparkle and stuff. So yeah, but like I said, that blue that I just showed you did not need a second coat. I put one coat on, cured it, and that was it for that. This one right here was more solid than the other ones. It was thicker. I'm guessing because it has glitter chunks in it. And you could feel like the glitter chunks. So you have to like move them around to place them where you want to place them. But other than that, I love that color. Now this one was giving me puke, giving me diaper, a full diaper. Like I just was not feeling the color. Like it was giving very much throw up, baby throw up. So yeah. But it went on opaque, and there weren't really any streaks in it. There weren't really any see-through spots in it. Like this one also took just one coat. I was just not a fan of that green. Like no, I would never wear that on my nails. Like I would never wear that green on my nails unless I was doing a design for like some fatigue or camo, you know, then that's different. But just by itself, solid, no, never. Nope, throw it away. But right here, I was testing out whether or not I could ombre with it. Now, you know, we do ombres with gel polishes. You know, we do ombres with acrylics, but this right here was not working out for me. And I don't know if it was just me or if it was just because you just should not try or attempt to do ombres with solid gel creams. But I tried it. It wasn't too bad. It was bad. I'm sorry. It was bad. It was really bad, actually. But my whole point in doing this was I wanted to place that glitter over top of a color because I really thought in my head that it would look so pretty over a color, and it did, you guys. Like it really looked really cute, just like I thought. It kind of blended the colors underneath together, so it didn't look as choppy. But if I had to do it again, I would probably just put it over the yellow or the blue. And yeah, it came out really cute, guys. Like, I really liked it. Like, look at that. Isn't it so cute? And I didn't top them with top coat or anything, but overall I did like them. Would I personally purchase it? Probably not. But for anybody who does their nails at home, I feel like this would be a great collection, or a great addition to your collection of what you have. And they are on Amazon. I will have everything in the description box, you guys. I believe it's called Burry. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. I have another unboxing that I'll be doing on my next video, and then after that we will be getting into some nail sets. So anyway, I love you guys for watching, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye.